Hi guys, I want to share with you the story of a trip that my family and I made on our last holidays. We went to Esquipulas, Guatemala, and I was so excited because we would go on a new adventure once again, and also because I hadn't visited that place since I was a child. So I woke up at 3 a.m. because our departure time was at 4 a.m. When we got there, I couldn't believe how many people were in that place. Everything was full, so we looked for a place to stay at the cathedral. Then we decided to visit the Black Christ, which was located inside of the cathedral. We spent around 3 hours trying to enter to the cathedral until we got it. After we visited the Black Christ, we decided to take a brunch. Then we wanted to explore the place and looked for something else. Suddenly we heard some men said that there was a cave called La Cueva de las Minas, which was a place which had a zoo, a lake, and a cave. But the curious thing about this place was the cave, because it had candles, fire, smoke, and a black Christ inside. And it was said that the purpose of this cave was to reach the end of the cave and touch the Black Christ. And also it was said that if you didn't reach the end of the cave, it was because you had many sins. So it was kind of funny because my mother said, "Okay, let's try it." And I was convinced that I would reach the end of the cave, but unfortunately I couldn't even enter to the cave. So at the end, my mother told me, "Okay, Valeria, you have many sins," and we laughed. Then we visited the zoo and the mini lake. It was 4 p.m. and it was time to go home. So we left La Cueva de las Minas and went to the parking. We left Esquipulas and went home. But in our way home, we got lost. And I was freaked out because I wanted to be in my country. And my aunt was laughing and laughing because of my reaction. It was around 7 p.m. when we were at the customs. I was completely tired, but I knew one thing, which was that trip was the best trip I ever had with my family.